Welcome to WPForms, the best WordPress contact form plugin on the market. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own custom form template. WPForms comes with tons of different templates you can choose from to get started, but you can also create your own unique starter form template that specifically has many of the same fields you tend to use in your forms. With that said, let's jump right in. To get started, you'll need a form that will later be copied to create your template, so you can use an existing form or create a brand new one for this tutorial. I'm going to use an existing form I previously created, so from the WordPress dashboard, I'm going to go to WPForms, Tools, and then click on the Export tab. Find the Form Template dropdown, which will provide a list of all of your forms, including either the existing form you want to use for the template or the brand new one you just created. Select the form and click on the Export Template button. Once you do, a new field will appear containing the template's code. There are 3 ways to go about adding this exported code to your site to create your new form template. The first method is by adding it to your theme's functions.php file, which will require you to have access to your site's files through either an FTP client or a file manager app with your site's host. However, you'll need to exercise caution when making edits to your functions.php file, as many mistakes in the code, even something as simple as missing a semicolon or having an extra apostrophe, could lock you out of your site in what can affectionately be called the white screen of death. If this error happens, first of all, don't panic, and be sure to check out the WP Beginner tutorial that will help you regain access to your site. You can find a link for this tutorial in the video description below. To add the template code, you'll need to navigate to the functions.php file by going to the following address in your site's files. When you've found the functions.php file, paste the template code directly into it and save the file when you're done. Keep in mind that if you update your site's theme or change it to something different, you'll need to paste the code back in again. To find the newly added template, go into the form builder, and you should see a new category in the template library on the left-hand side called Custom Templates. Click on it to find the template you just created. The second method to add the template code to your site is by creating a new PHP file, pasting the code into it, and adding a code snippet to your functions.php file that tells your site to run the template code in the new file. If you go this route, you'll first need to open your site's functions.php file again and add in the following code. Be sure to check out the video description below for a link to our written doc where you can copy all of the code snippets we use in this tutorial. This code basically tells your site to run the code in a file called WPForms customtemplates.php. The next step is to actually make this file. You can do this by using a program like Sublime Text Editor or even Notepad. Open either program, add the PHP opening tag, then paste in the template code. Be sure to save the file in the same folder that contains your site's functions.php file. The last option is one to consider if you expect to change your WordPress theme in the future, or you might want to use the same template on multiple sites. For our third option, we're going to create a custom plugin. Open your text or code editor and paste in the following code. As you can see, this code has a line that reads, "Template code here." Replace this line with the generated template code and save the file as wpforms-custom-templates.php. Then open your site's files and navigate to WP Content/Plugins and add the file there. You can then return to your WordPress site, go to the Plugins page, and find a new plugin called WPForms Custom Templates. Once you activate it, go into the form builder, and you should see the Custom Templates option in the template library on the left-hand side. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create a custom form template in WPForms. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. You can also join our WPForms VIP Circle group on Facebook to learn even more tips and tricks, as well as be part of the growing WPForms community. If you need any extra technical help, please visit our contact page and reach out to our support team.